Today I'm going to repair my dry suit. The wrist said flop and it's not tight anymore. This is the second time I repair my dry suit. I did this 3 years ago, changed both ankles and wrists, and now 3 years later it's time again. So the dry suit are 6 years old. I start with a hairdryer to heat the old glue up so I can take away the old broken latex wrist. It is only one wrist that is broken, but I'm going to change both at the same time. If you get a little scratch, and then when you take it on and off and on and off, and after a while it will plof. If it's the first time you do it, you just need to save a couple of centimeters here, cut the broken part away. Then I put a bottle inside and then I mask so I won't destroy the dry suit. First I will clean the surface with acetone, and then it's time to sand the old glue. Then I will take the inside and clean that with acetone, and then we'll sand the inside of the new latex wrists and clean again with acetone. Time to glue. I will put one layer more, so I let it dry and then I do a new layer. Then it's time to put this on. Just ensure that this is dry, the glue. Put the latex up to the edge up here. And finally, it's time for the last step, to iron. Add some pressure for the glue to bond better. Now I have let the glue settle for a couple of hours, and I will test if they are watertight. I didn't want to do it in the river because it's like 4+ degrees, and to do it this long time I will start to freeze. I've been standing now here for a while and it feels like it's completely watertight, no bubbles or anything. Hope you like this video. Click here to watch more videos and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you. Until then, paddla lugnt.